My crew. Who you rolling with? The popular image is a tribe of lions or even a pack of wolves. I already got my tribe, and with my pack, we howl every full moon. Oh, oh, oh! A Team 9? Who I'm rolling with? Yo, let me enlighten you. I'm rolling with a den of serpents. Don't mistake us for mother hens. Nuck if you buck, we'll cluck back at you with etymology, spiritual, herbal, natural, lawful, and ancestral remedies that'll heal you as it wraps around you and return to you in repentance of your ways, seeking the Most High for the rest of your days. Who you rolling with? There you go, asking again. Your ignorance is showing because you ignored the ants, whose queen is mighty and army is strong. Her workers are a team, we building, visualizing, and manifesting our dreams to this life, thanks to the foresight. While bringing visions from our heads to our eyes, we are all one because we are all the one for our life. With who I'm rolling with, we know that's law. It's universal. From the sky to this earth and back again, through galaxies and dimensions. We are stars and planets. We planned this. We've been planted in this. Through the embodiment of our souls into these systems, the cluster of these bodies are our souls, but we are not these bodies. Even though we respect when representing, while presenting our focus, it's sharp, zoned in as our claws dig in, swooping in from above without notice, giving you short notice before it's too late because we've learned to flip the switch and open the floodgates. Who am I rolling with? Well, if you haven't heard, my herd is an infinite circle of all mother elephants who stick together, respecting all matriarchs in their respected fields through blood, spirit, water, earth, fire, law, wood, and air. Near or far, we stay together. Our bond is stronger than what physical scissors can cut. Our bond is deeper than the records that you grudged up, faked up, coughed up, fucked up. This is who I'm rolling with. We're back and here to stay, and we'll snap at anyone who gets in our way. Cause we got the mouth to destroy, the teeth to kill, while letting care and balance when carrying our babies from one stage to the next. Don't get it twisted. A warm heart can dwell in a cold body. To feel the heat or the chill will depend on why you're here. Who I'm rolling with? And on my path that numerous have walked, men and women alike. See, my tribe is so big you cannot count, and so small that you cannot see, for they all surround me, are within me, are me. All rights reserved, copyright by me, Angelica Stevenson, the connecting angel, aka Angelica Grayer, birth name. Peace.